meditation technique for a beginner. The lack of internal peace makes a person feel confused, exhausted and unfulfilled no matter how much achievements he earned. It allows the person to watch the flow of his thoughts as he retires to the dictates of his senses. While you learn to focus and concentrate, meditation gives a clearer sense of direction. For beginners, here is a simple meditation technique that will nurture your consciousness to the realms that go beyond the scientific domain. The first step in this meditation technique is to find a quiet and comfortable place to reflect on. The exact position of meditation does not matter, as long as this makes you feel relaxed and focused. Closing the eyes directs the attention to the internal awareness, the main goal of meditation. In other techniques, there are also open-eyed meditations. The knower of the space is characterized by immortality and bliss. With so many marketing options, it can be difficult for businesses to know what to do. In its simplest form, there is satisfaction and renewal of spirit to a more vigorous and active one. Meditation is something that needs to be a part of our everyday routine.